Welcome to Tai Chi Flow. In this session, you don't have to worry about getting the movements perfect. Just follow along the best you can. I'll be your mirror image, and you can have a seat at any time. We'll begin with the feet shoulder width apart, get as tall as you can, and then soften slightly so that you're alert but relaxed. Shift all your weight over to one side, coming on the ball of the foot, and then rotate the ankle in a circle. We'll do 5 circles one way, and then 5 the other. All right, reverse direction, lubricating the joints. And then switching sides, coming on the ball of the foot, rotating the ankle. The ankles are so important for balance. And then reverse direction. And then with the feet shoulder width apart, place your hands on your hips, begin to rotate the pelvis in a circle. So just doing small circles at first, and then if it feels okay, you can make them a little bigger, but never forcing it, just easing in. And then reverse direction, loosening up the hips. And then next we'll do the shoulders. So the arms down by the sides, lift the shoulders up towards your ears, let them fall back and down. So big circular motions with the shoulders. This helps release tension from the neck, the upper back, and the shoulders. All right, one more time, the shoulder rolls. And then from here, both arms drift out to the sides, circle in front, gather in the energy, bring it in towards the heart, and then send it down towards the earth. Sinking the chi, breathing in, gather, breathing out, directing down. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Moving mindfully. One more time, sink the chi. And then from here, the hands float up in front to about shoulder height, and the hands float down, the knees and hips soften. Breathing in, rising up. Breathing out, letting go. Opening the door. Starting the journey. One more time, rising up. Softening down. This time the palms face towards the body, and then very gently begin to rotate towards one side, the palms face away. Coming back to center, the palms face towards, and then rotate the other way, the palms and arms open. The wise owl looks behind. Gentle rotation, moving from the waist, shoulders, and then head. Coming back to center, one more time. The wise owl looks behind. And then from here, the hands float down, circle in front, hug the tree, rounding out. Step one foot out a little bit wider. And then from here, the fingertips point down as you soften down towards the earth. The hands come forward, all the way up and over, and then down in front of the body. Digging in the garden. Coming down gently, and then coming back up one more time, digging in the garden. And then reverse direction with the hands, floating up and over, out and down. Coming back up the center as we harvest from the garden. Big circle, one more time. And then from here, round out as if you're hugging a big tree. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. And then pivot on the heel, the toes point out to the side. The moon orbits the earth as the hands circle around as if they're just lightly resting on the moon. Just feeling it as it orbits the earth. Just going for the ride. And then reverse direction. Circle around, whichever way you were going, just go the other way. All right, one more time, circle it around. And then when you're ready, you can hug the tree, bring it all the way back to center, pivoting on the heel, the arms open. Then this hand scoops under, the other one on top as you embrace the moon. Pivot on the other heel, pointing the toes out to the side. The moon orbits the earth, circulating the energy and blood flow throughout the body. Gentle rotation, loosening up the torso. And then reverse direction. Breathing. One more time. The moon orbits the earth. And then hug the tree, bring it back to center. Step one foot in a little bit closer. Breathing in, the arms open. Breathing out, the fingertips drift towards each other and then down. And then drifting over to one side, the same side hand floats up. And then drifting over to the other, shifting the weight, the arm lifts like you're bouncing the ball. This time lift the arm, and then if you want, you can lift the opposite foot. Other side. We call this bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. And as always, you can always just keep your toe down for balance, or for a little bit more challenge, you can try lifting. It's okay to wobble, just letting go of judgment. This is how we build the balance. One more time, bouncing the ball in the bubbling spring. And then circle the arms all the way in front, hug the tree, step one foot out a little bit wider, and then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down, making two loose fists. They come all the way up and over and around as we turn the wheel. And you can stay nice and tall, or for some more challenge, you can soften down as the hands come down, getting in your squats for the day. One more time, turning the wheel. And then reverse direction with the arms, floating up and over and down, just coming up as much as you can comfortably without straining or striving. One more time, turning the wheel. And then circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. This hand here scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Top hand goes behind the back just for now. Step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand tosses the moon into the sky. Circle it around again, toss away, as if you could toss the moon. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon. Bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Circle it around again, parting the wild horse's mane. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect. As long as you're moving, I'm happy. One more time, toss it away. And then from here, the bottom hand scoops up, the wrists cross. The arms float down as you circle out and around, and then back up top to the mountain peak. The princess on the mountaintop. Shift back and open, shift forward, crossing the wrists. One more time, the princess on the mountaintop. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree. From here, the arms open wide. Then this hand scoops under, step in as you catch the moon. Top hand goes behind the back. Step out to the corner, bottom hand guides the moon into the clouds. Circle it around again, toss away. This time the other hand comes back on top, catch the moon, bottom hand floats up, the other hand floats down. Parting the wild horse's mane, creating tranquility out of chaos. The calm within the storm. One more time. This time bottom hand comes up, the wrists cross, the arms float down, circling out and around, back up top. The princess on the mountaintop. Breathing in, open. Breathing out, one more time. And then step the front foot back in, hug the tree, and soften. From here, this hand drops down and then toss away. The hand then waves in towards the heart and then pushes forward, right towards me. Other side, the hand tosses away. The elbow softens as the hand waves in and then presses forward. Repulse monkey, calming the monkey mind. You can lean into it if you like. Breathing in, breathing out. Nice gentle sway. One more time, repulse monkey. And then from here, both arms drift over to the side and down. Then they brush out to the corner, circling all the way around, and then out to the other corner, making a figure eight right in front of the body. Gentle rotation. We call this polishing the table, as if your hands are gliding on a nice smooth surface, making it shine. One more time, polishing the table. And then from here, both arms drop down, circle in front, hugging the tree. And then from here, this hand once again drops down, toss away, but this time the other hand circles on top as you step in. Then this hand here pushes down, the other hand waves in as you soften. Rising up, softening down, breathing in, breathing out. This time step out to the corner, and as you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, the top hand pushes to the corner. The top hand circles down, bottom hand circles up. Coming back to the beginning, push down and wave in, brush knee and push. And as always, don't worry about getting it perfect, just keep on moving. Just feeling the sensations, feeling the flow. One more time, brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, the palms face up, the hands draw in, circle out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, and then spiral the palms back up. Draw the hands back in, the mama bear gathers her cubs, circle around, spiral the palms up. One more time. This time, step the front foot back in, circle the hands in front, hug the tree. And then from here, this hand drops down, toss away, the other hand circles on top, step in, both hands together, pushing down and waving in as you soften down. Rising back up, letting go. Breathing in, breathing out. This time, step out to the corner. As you step out, the bottom hand brushes past the knee, top hand pushes to the corner, top hand floats down, bottom hand floats up. Coming back to the beginning, brush knee and push. Just like a dance that you don't have to get perfect. Breathing in, breathing out. You'll still get all the benefits of Tai Chi. Just keep on moving. One more time, brush knee and push. And then from here, the bottom hand comes up, palms face up, the hands draw in, circle the arms out and around, the backs of the hands face each other, then spiral the palms back up. Mama bear gathers her cubs. It's like you're moving through the water, spiraling the energy and blood flow throughout the body. One more time. Gather in your cubs, bring them on home. Step the front foot back in, circle in front, hug the tree. Step one foot out a little bit wider. From here, the hands come together in prayer position right in front of the heart as you soften down. Then the fingertips guide the way out to the side. They circle around and go out to the other side. The dragon pierces through the clouds. Gentle rotation, just going side to side. And then if you like, you can let the hands begin to drift up towards the mountain peak. Just coming up as much as you can comfortably, and then all the way down towards the base of the mountain, nice and slow. And then once again, just back to side, a few more times, just breathing, feeling the sensations. One more time, the dragon pierces through the clouds. And then from here, release, round out, hugging the tree, bring it to center, step one foot in a little bit closer. From here, the arms open wide. The hands float down, palms face up, right by the lower abdomen. This hand here floats all the way up and over, down the center line of the body. Other side, breathe in as the hand floats up, breathing out, centering. Creating focus, clarity, calm heart, calm mind. One more time, centering. This time, both hands float all the way up and over, just as much as you can comfortably. The hands float down to the waist as you soften down. Circle the hands in front. Gather in the energy. Bring it right into the heart for loving kindness and self-compassion. The hands float down. One more time, open the heart, rising up, softening down. This time making a diamond shape with the hands in front of the heart, and then press out, sending out all your loving kindness to the world. May all beings be free from suffering. May they be happy. May they be healthy. May they live with ease. And turning your palms to face yourself, the hands come to the heart. May I be kind to myself. May I feel connected with all beings. May I love myself just as I am. Then the hands can float down to the lower abdomen. You can step your feet together or as close as you can. You can close your eyes or keep a soft gaze, letting your body rock and sway ever so slightly. Bamboo in the wind. Just feeling the sensations in the body that arise. Feel the body breathing all on its own. You don't have to do a thing. Just being here is enough. And then bring your attention into your heart, creating an inner smile. Expressing gratitude to yourself for being here today. And then if your eyes are closed, you can slowly open them. The hands can come together in front of the heart, and we can finish with a bow. And today's poem is one that I made about gratitude. It's called A Grateful Flow. With each breath, I find my place, moving gently, full of grace. A grateful flow right from the start, a tender bow from a thankful heart. Thanks so much for watching. Click right here to watch our flute music video of the day to complete your practice. Also, this video is part of our free program, Harmony 30 Days of Tai Chi. Click right here to get your free clickable calendar and all the details.